eto nsafre ye gifty adoye e wonu show so e wonu ya honum na em say gifty entimi anko we na nipa bebre na e kasa say e bia na Nana Ama Mcbrown ni gifty e wo beef na emu omo sheda na omo twi camera be si omo no ayo omo say bibia enim gifty entimi anko na Nana Ama Mcbrown show no ni nyina ne say na em say ne ba ho emfa no won say Ghana de nsem sister nipa no ebekeka fa ho bebre na esusu o ma dwen kire say e bia ye cooking show na Nana Ama Mcbrown ekita e won UTV no a oja ko nua na gifty akofa no I say ye Nana Ama Mcbrown ya na say ye gifty adoye ya na say ye UTV phone penny phone e si ne kwan say mane nko ye onua ye talk show no so e won Nana Ama Mcbrown ho Mr. Pa emunchirimu aba me yentimbra.
Are you still working with Empress Gifty?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. It was publicized she was supposed to appear on Nana Ama Mcbrown's show.
Yeah.
What is he? Adam?
Yes, I am.
And we all know the back and forth. A lot of people have been saying the rumors about Empress Gifty and Mcbrown that they are loggerheads, that there are some issues, Although Empress was here on my birthday and she debunked those rumors, she didn't appear as publicized. Yesterday, now the info I'm getting is that Empress Gifty failed to be on the show. What happened?
Thank you for this opportunity, Anedosti. I mean, first of all, Empress Gifty and Empress Mcbrown
Two empresses
are very good friends.
Two empresses.
They are really good friends.
My beautiful sisters.
They do not have any issue like the way it is played out in the public. The Empress did not show up on the show not because of any malice. Yesterday, I mean, people saw her perform at the Thanksgiving ceremony of Despite's in-law. Just after the performance, she received a sudden call that the daughter had taken ill, and she's at a school in Akosombo. So, she didn't even sit after the performance. I mean, those who were there, they realized that she rushed to the car and left to the Eastern region to go and see the situation. I mean, you know, as a parent, you're a parent, and you know, you cannot receive a call of your daughter taking it at school and still go about your normal duties. So she went, and they even had to transfer the child to Tema. And Empress went home this morning just to go and change. In the process, she even lost her phone. So many people who are calling her were not getting to her, and they were calling me. I even had to call the husband. So this was why Empress couldn't show up. So as at 5:58, I called their production. You know, she said, I mean, somebody called. I called their production.
Who said somebody called?
Mcbrown on the show.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was me. I called their production around 5:58 to relay the information to them.
What time does the show start?
I think the show opens around 6:30 there.
Right.
So but Empress would go on later, around 9. It closes at 10. So because I didn't want it to be a surprise, as soon as the information came, I relayed to them and let them know that, okay, this is the situation, so that they will know how to do it. But we were even still hopeful that
she'll make it.
The situation will be like under control, so she makes it. So myself and one of the team members who normally backs her to sing, because she was going to sing on the show.
You sing?
No, a team member who backs her to sing. I went with him to the show because we thought that, okay, it could be under control for her to come. So I didn't want a situation she will come and that person is not there.
Okay.
So I went there with him and we sat. Then it was even when the show was almost closing that we left. It wasn't by any malice. We've heard a lot of, people propounding theories and, giving
like
the
what?
reason. I'm coming. So if you watch clearly Mcbrown's video where she apologized to the fans and said she was told she had an emergency, but they've not been told what it was. She later even said that they wish her, whatever the situation is, she wishes her luck. I mean, this was the situation. And
okay, first of all, just as I asked, what are some of the things people are saying?
People think that somebody from another station may have stopped her, or they have an issue. That's why she didn't go. But I mean, they are very good friends. I mean, if you know both of them, they talk among themselves. They are very good. They support each other.
With Mcbrown's statement, do you feel some sort of sarcasm in there?
What it has rather festered the rumors. The rumors.
Really?
People think that it was intentional. Empress Gifty did it intentionally to maybe sabotage the show, because if you are doing a live show and you have plans, and so like people feel it was intentional. And it's like maybe somebody has been thrown under the bus, but it wasn't intentional.
Right.
Issues you cannot, just for not going on a radio or TV show, you cannot use your daughter's sickness as an excuse. No, who say your daughter is not sick and you say my daughter is sick, and as a result, I'm going to use it as an excuse? Who would do that?
Oh, well, some people even use accidents.
Yeah, but
other stuff.
Who would do that? You understand? And
so how is the daughter now?
She's better. She's been transferred to Tema, and she's responding to treatment.
Thank God.
She's been through a lot. Just last week, their mother wasn't well. She was admitted at the hospital. But on the public, you just have to ensure you do things. And just after that, this has happened. So it wasn't by any malice. We apologize to, the teaming viewers who were really waiting to see her on your TV, United Showtime viewers, and Empress and Mcbrown's viewers who were eager to see both of them. But it was just sudden turn of events.
So what to mention, not just say Auntie Gifty none about at the hospital tea went to me Uncle Boss show no every permanent will be pure.